to allow or deny picture-in-picture permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. So you will see Apps is here. So click on Apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on special access. So after click on special access, you will see picture in pictures is here. So after click on picture in pictures, so if you want to allow or deny, so if you want to deny, so turn off this button. So after turn off app button, you will see picture in picture permission is denied. So if you want to allow picture in pictures, so turn on this button. So after turn on app button, you will see picture in pictures is allowed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny picture in pictures permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.